Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a bridge effect in Photoshop. It's quite easy, super easy, but quite effective. So let's get started. And first of all, I'm going to share my screen first and what I want to show. So this is the glitching effect looks like. So sharing and go my Photoshop. So I already made my glitching effect folder like this. And I'm going to show you the process now. And the first one is file open and just click the one. I'll bring that one. Okay, let's go to that one. Okay, let's the same one. Just click different one. Okay, just hit launch and first. Then just I need to turn into black and white. And first right click on the convert smart object first. It's before turning black and white. And now I got layer 0 with a converted object. Then just go to image and adjustment and a hue and saturation. And the middle bar is slide and towards the left and saturation goes 100 minus 100. Just okay. Now you got black and white layer. Now you click right click and duplicate layer and just hit OK. Now you got two layers. Then I'm gonna change each name. It looks definitely black and white, blah, even though just double click and it's color. At this moment, it's okay. And just me, because me, okay. Just click the upper layer and right click and just blending object, a blending option. And the window comes up, then just untick R, just red, channel red. Just stay meaning like stay ticked like G and B, green and blue, and just okay. Now, effect will be starting. Just make sure hit the power, just cancel one, and you're gonna use your keyboard just right left up to you. Just start making it. Just click right or just right left cancel key, and you have to decide its effect. I think it's okay for now. Okay. And now just click light color, click color layer, and you have to press the shift key and just hold and then click next layer, like a bottom layer. And now you got two layers selected and just drag and drop to the plus. And now you got four layers and two copies and two originals. And now right click copies. And then you need to click merge layers. And now you got three layers, original two layers, and the new color copy on the top. And then you need to click second from the top and the rectangular marking tool, and please make sure normal, not fixed ratio, fixed size, normal. And make sure just left hand one, then okay, just choose rectangular shape. It's like this, and then click the cancel top, and then make sure scissors come up, and just move on. Okay, and select and deselect, and the rectangular shape again, and nicely selected, and the cancel, and scissors, and then bring it different one, and select and deselect, and then click select one, and nicely select it, just believe your instinction, just talk to the instinct. Okay, just click that one and then slide and deselect it again, or up to you, Control and D, a shortcut key. Okay, you're gonna make nice and good composition, and then deselect. And sometimes like a magnifier tool, and then make it bigger, and click, and then you're gonna make a really small one, and scissors, and then slide, and select and deselect, and then click, and cursor, and deselect. Okay, you need to hit the top layer, not this one, the one, just hit the top layer. And if you have the width, just layer and then merge button and just copy and paste the board. Okay, super easy, but super effective. Just your turn. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna stop my sharing and stop the meeting. Okay, it's your turn to make your glitch effect. Bye.